Start. Leave granted stop para. This appeal has been filed against the judgment and order dated 3/4/2017 passed by the High Court of Kerala at Ernakulam in RSA number 757/2011, whereby the High Court was pleased to allow the second appeal filed by the respondent and set aside the judgment and decree passed by the first appellate court in favor of the appellant stop para. The short question involved in this appeal is whether a document styled as gift deed but admittedly executed for consideration, part of which has been paid and the balance promised to be paid, can be treated as formal document or instrument of gift stop. Another related question is whether a gift deed reserving the right of the donor to keep possession and right of enjoyment and enforceable after the death of the executant is a gift or a will stop para. The appellant is a childless widow aged 74 years whose husband expired on 6/6/2015 stop. The respondent is the nephew of the appellant (brother's son out stop), in the expectation that the respondent will look after the appellant and her husband and also for some consideration, the appellant executed a purported gift deed in favor of the respondent stop. The gift deed clearly stated that the gift would take effect after the death of the appellant and her husband stop para. According to the appellant, on or about 2/6/1999, the appellant executed the deed of cancellation number 1844/1999, cancelling the gift deed stop. After about 8 months, on or about 1/2/2000, the respondent filed original suit number 32/2000 in the court of the learned Munsif Sastham Kota for declaration that the cancellation deed executed by the appellant is null and void, and also for declaration of his right over the suit property being the subject matter of the purported deed of gift stop para. On or about 23/2000, the appellant filed original suit being OS number 97/2000 before the court of the learned Munsif, Sastham Kota for permanent injunction restraining the respondent or his men from trespassing or committing waste or mischief in the suit property stop para. On 12/5/2000, the appellant and her husband filed the written statement in the suit being OS number 32/2000 filed by the respondent stop. On 25/7/2000, the defendants in OS number 97/2000 filed their written statement contending that the registered document number 687/2000 was executed for consideration stop para by a judgment and order dated 11/12/2006, the learned Munsif, Sastham Kota decreed original suit number 32/2000 and OS number 97/2000 stop para being aggrieved, the appellant filed first appeal being AS number 30/2007 before the district court, column stop. The defendants in OS number 97/2000 filed their first appeal before the district court, column stop by an order dated 23/9/2010, the additional district judge, 3rd, column allowed the application being AS number 30/2007 filed by the appellant and dismissed AS number 77/2000 filed by the respondent in OS number 97/2000 stop para. The respondent filed regular second appeal against the judgment and decree in AS number 30/2007 stop by the judgment and order dated 3/4/2017, the High Court allowed the RSA number 757/2011 and set aside stop.